In Functional English Grammar Series, today let us learn change of voice, interrogative, informative, past perfect tense, compiled and voiced by Nageswar Rao A, English teacher Sri Prakash. At the end of the lesson, we learn to identify an interrogative sentence that is informative. We learn to identify the object. We learn to identify the sentence in active form. We learn to identify the sentence in passive form. We learn tense-wise extra B form that we need to add while transforming the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Let us study the following sentence. Who had taught English? What is the type of the sentence? It is interrogative, informative sentence because it starts with a WH word and asks for an information of the person who taught English. Can you identify the object of the sentence? Yes, it is English. We get English as answer when we raise a question what is taught. What is the tense of the sentence? It is past perfect because we have had and past participle of the verb. Now let us study the structures in both active form and passive form. Active form who plus had plus past participle of the verb plus English. Passive form by whom plus had plus object plus been plus past participle of the verb. Now, what extra B form need we to add to change it to passive form? It is been. What is the position for this been in passive form? Immediately after object English. Hence, the answer for the given sentence who had taught English in active form is by whom had English been taught in passive form. Now, let us study some examples. Who had written this novel? Active. By whom had this novel been written? Passive. Who had cared the child? Active. By whom had the child been cared? Passive. Who had looked into the case? Active. By whom had the case been looked into? Passive. Who had brought vegetables from the market? Active. By whom had vegetables been brought from the market? Passive.